Sequences. Suppose we drop a ball from a height of 1 meter. It hits the ground and it bounces back up to a height of 1/2 meter. It then hits the ground and bounces back up to a height of 1/4 meter. Each time it reaches the height 1/2 of the previous height. And so the initial height is 1 meter. After the first bounce, the height is 1/2 meter. After the second bounce, the height is 1/4 meter. After the third bounce, the height is 1/8 meters, and so on. In this scenario, we assume that we drop the ball from the initial height of 1 meter. Its height after each bounce is half of its previous height, and we assume that the ball keeps bouncing up and down. Let a sub n be the height of the ball after the nth bounce. So initially, the height a sub 0 is 1. After the first bounce, the height is 1/2, and then a sub 2 is 1/4, a sub 3 is 1/8, a sub 4 is half of 1/8, which is 1/16. We list the heights of the ball in order. They are 1, 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16, and so on. This is called a sequence. Note that there is a pattern to these numbers. They can be represented by a function f of n equals 1/2 to the n for n equals 0, 1, 2, and so on. And so a sequence is an ordered collection of numbers or objects. They're defined by a function f on a set of sequential integers. A sub n might or might not be represented by a function, but a sub n are the terms of the sequence with the index n. A sequence can be listed at a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, and so on. Since a sequence is a collection of numbers, we use the curly bracket to denote the sequence. We start with the index n equals 1, and we end with infinity. There is nothing special about the letter A or B. For example, the sequences of A start with n equals 100 and end with infinity. These are the infinite sequences. We use the 3 dot symbol to denote that there are infinitely many more numbers to follow. When we work with sequence, n factorial shows up often. N factorial is defined to be the product of all of the integers starting from n ending with 1. 0 factorial is 1. 5 factorial, for example, is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 120.